If you are still trying to record voiceovers on your phone and then syncing them manually later into Capcut PC, stop. You are doing it the hard way. Let me show you how to record voiceovers in Capcut PC. But before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials that we drop every week. Import the video that you want to do a voiceover on into your Capcut PC. As soon as you have that done, drag the video onto your timeline. Once you have your video on the timeline, come to the top of your video on the timeline where you have different icons and go to the right where you can see a mic icon, and that is what we are going to use to do a voiceover in Capcut PC. Click on the mic icon and the voiceover panel is going to pop up that we are going to use to set our parameters and record our voiceover in Capcut PC. As long as you have a mic already connected to your PC, it's going to show in your input device. If you want to also change it, you can click here, change it to whatever audio interface you want. But I'm going to leave my microphone connected. If you want to reduce your volume, if it's too loud for you, you can do that here. And if you want to also increase your volume, if it's too low for you, you can do that here. Set your parameters on echo reduction. If you are recording in a closed space and it has echoes, this will remove it or reduce it for you. Click on mute project because it ensures that the audio of your clip already on your timeline, that is if it has an audio already, so it doesn't clash with your voiceover when recording. Click on enhance voice, as this will automatically remove popping sounds, mouth clicks and other noises, enhancing your voice. As soon as you have that done and your parameters set, come to the top and click on the big red record icon. Click on it, calm down and start recording. Welcome to WWE, Worldwide Wrestling Entertainment, the best in the world. As soon as you're done recording, close the voiceover panel to check your audio. And start recording. Welcome to WWE, Worldwide Wrestling Entertainment. Now, if you want to also make some tweaks after hearing your audio, ensure the audio is selected over here and come to the top right of your Capcut PC screen where you have basic. Under basic, you can decrease the volume if it's too loud for you after recording, and you can also increase the volume if it's too low for you after recording. You can do a fade in before the voiceover starts, and you can do a fade out to enter into another audio. Once you're done with your parameters, that is how you record a voiceover in Capcut PC.